Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin right now by confirming the device supports fast pair and that Bluetooth Low Energy is enabled. This saves wasted steps. Plug your Android device into USB and grant ADB permissions because the validator requires direct access to fetch pairing traces. Install and launch the Fast Pair Validator app, then pick the target device from the list. Once done, enable verbose logging and location permissions so the tool can capture BLE advertisements and handshake packets. This is essential to diagnose pairing behavior as you proceed. You now run the core validation. Initiate the fast pair advertising on the accessory, then make your phone discover and trigger the pairing prompt. While doing that, keep the validator recording BLE packets, GAT interactions, and security negotiation steps so you can correlate timestamps later. When the pairing is complete or fails, stop recording and export the collected logs as a zip. Then run the validator's automated checks. Review each failed rule and cross-reference packet traces to identify whether the issue is configuration, timing, or cryptographic. You finish by applying targeted fixes based on the validator results. Typically, this means updating accessory firmware, adjusting BLE advertising interval, or correcting key provisioning and ACL settings, because those are the most common causes. After changes, rerun the same validation scenario and export the new logs to compare against your baseline captures. This confirms whether your fix removed the failure. If problems remain, use the timestamped traces to isolate whether the failure is in the handset, accessory firmware, or the security handshake. This single troubleshooting tip usually reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.